In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your iPhone is not showing the missed calls. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open the control center on your iPhone, then go to the connection section in the control center. Now just make sure that your iPhone is connected to the internet. After that, just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that, just tap on the airplane mode icon one more time and turn it off. And by doing this, you will do a quick network refresh on your iPhone. Now in the control center, just tap on the focus mode icon and check if do not disturb mode or any other focus mode has been enabled or not. If any of these options is enabled, just tap on it and turn it off. Now after you turn off all the focus modes on your iPhone, then just go to your home screen and open settings. Under settings, just tap on focus, and from here just tap on do not disturb. On this page, just tap on people, and from here just scroll down and tap on allow calls from. Now if it is on contacts only, you will only receive calls from your contacts if you have enabled do not disturb mode. Now if you want to receive calls from anyone, just select everybody. After you do that, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on notifications. Now just scroll down and look for the option for the phone app. Now just tap on the phone app, and if the notifications toggle has been disabled, just enable allow notifications, and also make sure that all these options has been enabled. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Once the force restart process has been completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go back to settings. From here, just tap on general, then tap on software update and check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. After you do that, then just go back and under the general settings, just tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select reset all settings. Tap on reset all settings. Now it might ask you to enter the passcode of your lock screen, but after that, just tap on reset all settings one more time to reset all the settings of your iPhone. And do not worry, by doing this, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You'll just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is how you can fix if your iPhone is not showing the missed calls. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.